Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we will count objects and learn numbers 13 and 14. Let's start. Dear students, पेज नंबर 27 पर देखिए. फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी में काउंट एंड सर्कल द करेक्ट नंबर्स. Look at the candies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. There are 13 candies. So students, हमारे पास कितनी candies हैं? 13. So circle the 13 in the box. Very good. Now look at the gift boxes. Dear students, let's count again. 1 to 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Excellent. There are 14 gifts. So circle the 14. Dear students, अब हम चलते हैं अपनी दूसरी एक्टिविटी की तरफ. Circle the 13 button. Look at this button. Let's count carefully. Count with me till 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Now circle only 30 number. Now circle only 30 buttons. Trace and write. Activity number 3 में देखिए dear students. Now let's trace and write numbers. First number is 13. Trace slowly. Number 14. Trace carefully. Well done. You did amazing today. You learned 13 and 14.